Hello, welcome to Your Daily Five. I'm Jane Gallina, also known as Airplane Jane. I'm accessible on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, my website, cjanetrade.com, and also a leader at Ticker Talker. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at jane@cjanetrade.com. First up on my list of Your Daily Five is going to be Oracle. I love this chart setup with Oracle. Right now, we have an island gap that is happening. We had this gap of trading right here, and we have a bit of an ascending triangle. If we're able to break out above $68, we've got that gap to fill, $4 up to $72. We are in quite an interesting time in the market. The stimulus bill has come out. We've seen brand new highs. And next, we have Starbucks. Everyone's getting back to regular life somewhat, going out for that coffee. And what really piques my attention is this big volume candlestick here just last Friday. Now, that was quad witching day. However, it's something I still am going to look at. If we're able to take it out and we're able to go above 108, then likely we're going to be screaming up to new highs for Starbucks. I would use 105 as my resistance. Now, if it started to break down further, hey, we might see it break down to 100 or $95. Next up, we have Coca Cola. Another ascending triangle, almost as well looks like a bit of an inverted head and shoulders. But again, we have the big volume from quad witching. And where are we? We are above this. So liking this fact, if we're able to close up above 51.50, we could likely see 53 and then 54, bringing this depth of $3.50 to the downside. I'd give it a nice target up to $55 for Coca-Cola. Very rarely do I mention potential shorts. However, XLF, the banking system, all of the banks all together. There's a lot of talk this week going on, not only with the Fed in the US, but we have the Japanese Economic Summit. We have the European market as well, talking about the end of the fiscal year and how they are going to do things in the future. In fact, on Thursday, they're talking on the European Economic Summit all about digital transformation. It's a very exciting time in which we might see a new digital currency happen for the banks as a central bank digital currency. So very excited about this. Also looking here, we are hitting a trend line, a downward trend line. However, if we do break down further, I'm looking for hitting this moving average down roughly $32. So $1.15 to the downside. Of course, if we do break out up above 34, we have that potential to move up further on the banks. With all of this inflation that is happening, it's surprising to see that we're not seeing the commodities of oil and silver increase. We did see oil scream higher, and now it seems like it might have topped out, even though we had a whole bunch of supply that was being reported each week. So definitely keeping my eye on gold. If we can break up above 163, watching for that move up to 165, 170, and then potentially up to 175. If we do break down further, we have a little bit of a wedge that is forming. If we break down below 161, I would watch for this to go back down roughly to 155. If you all ever have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out to me at jane@cjanetrade. Also, please check out my leader profile at tickertalker.com. And as always, that's your daily five. Carpe profit, seize those profits one trade at a time.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.